I was heading into Tyler, like, going to Walmart. I'm in the left-hand lane. There's this dude on this silver R1 in the right-hand lane ahead of me. And in front of me, there's this black Tahoe. You know, we're coming up at the light by the toll road, and this fucking lady in this Tahoe, like, must have been texting or doing something. No blinker or nothing. I mean, like, just the fastest lane switch, just like right where the fucking bike was. Like, I couldn't believe this dude had the reactions that he did, but he looked over and just, whoo, like, right into the damn grass. Didn't fall over. No, like, I've never seen a bike get so wobbly and a man not fall off it. Like, motherfucker just, just sitting there, like, the whole bike was shaking. Like, going like 30 miles an hour, just, the man's helmet almost flew off, and that motherfucker was strapped. Like, motherfucker gets up to the light, like, didn't even unbuckle the helmet, just, are you serious? Are you serious? Boom! Get out the car! Boom! Boom! I just started kneeing the shit out of this lady's fucking car, dude. Like,
was she scared?
No, like, cause I got over to the, I'm trying to remember, I was still in the left-hand lane, the Tahoe was in the right-hand lane now. I'm looking over at this woman, she just, like, God damn, like, I could barely see this dude, cause like he barely came up to the window with the Tahoe. Like, he was standing in the ditch, just, get out of the car! Get out of the car! Boom! 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 Boom!